change
Why do 80% of businesses in Rincon choose Rincon Rocks Radio? Because they know the power of ultimate promotion. Rincon Rocks Radio and Promotions is your ultimate partner for unbeatable marketing deals. Imagine this, for less than $5 a day, you get a quarter-page ad in our monthly digital and print books, featured on Amazon, plus a custom business video and daily social radio commercials. Sounds incredible, right? Need more? Upgrade to our half-page ad at $200 per month for a full 1-minute radio ad, a video that can be updated weekly, and half-page digital and print exposure. Talk about value. And if you want the full package, our full-page ad is less than $100 per week. That's personalized video, full-page print and digital ads, and live remote coverage with broadcasts every day of the week. Don't miss out on the chance to make your business shine. Contact Rincon Rocks Radio and Promotions at 1-787-546-3252 or visit rinconrocksradio.com. Let's rock your business together.
And we are live. Good to have everybody here today out there in the viewing public. I've got Miss Emma live here from the call center, and she's getting ready to tell us all about some of our available packages. We will be trading the stock market today. We're taking a look at it right now. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen up there. We're going to have a look. We are in the trade on the long side, micro E-mini futures, and we're trading the micro E-mini NASDAQ 100 index futures. We're in on the long side. We got in just a minute or two ago. The market's opened up and it looks like it's kind of vacillating. It's trending a little down. We're going to let it go ahead and bounce off the bottom, like I like to say all the time. What goes up must come down. What goes down must bounce up. So we're going to watch that a second. Ms. Emma, tell us a little bit about our packaging today. It's all you. Your microphone's muted. There you go.
Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. Yes, and thank you for joining with us again today on live. And yes, we have still available slot for our 3 packages for the 3 Pillars of Wealth program. We have actually 3 packages for our smart investing, which is first is our stock market training. So we have a 7-day training for just $100 for 15-day training. Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay, we have 7-day training again for just $100, very affordable. And if you want to continue and go on in the training for the stock market, we also have 15-day training session. It's 45 minutes to an hour a day, and you can actually reserve what time you wanted to get in every day as long as we have available slot. And then we also have the best package on the smart investing. That is our 30-day stock market training. That is only $500. That would include our digital books, customer support, and free trading view that you can practice with zero rest. And after that, we can assist you if you want to go on to invest in stock market and using your real money. So it's very nice program that would help you open your eyes, your mind to be into stock market and start dreaming and cashless money online. And also we have credit mastery program. All in one package is for a 90-day. We also have a package for that. So we have free consultation. You can call me anytime on the phone number we have on screen, or you can comment down on our Facebook page. And please do like and subscribe our YouTube channel to be more updated. And stay tuned in the live training today.
TransUnion, one of the largest credit reporting agencies in America, has been sued. And yes, they do owe you some money. Now, this is officially the second biggest class action lawsuit that we've covered on this channel against TransUnion. We covered one last year. That one was pretty big, but this one is significant because it covers a specific disputed item on credit reports. And this class action is topped out at $23 million. So if you or anyone that you know has disputed any hard inquiries on your credit report with TransUnion by phone, online, or through mail and got any of these weird letters, pay attention to what I'm about to say here because this is pretty crazy. I've been talking about this. We call these stall tactic letters. They call these 501 letters. So in the letter, it'll usually say, we received a suspicious letter that does not appear to come from you. It looks like this came from a credit repair company, or you need to contact the original creditor instead of us, the credit reporting agency. If you received any of those letters in the mail, you do qualify. So stop what you're doing because you are in fact entitled to a cash payout from a $23 million class action lawsuit. So the way that I found out about this is I received a massive letter, this big, huge postcard from the class action settlement group. And I'm like, bro, I'm not signing up for that class action settlement, and you shouldn't either. So let's break this all down and tell you exactly what's going on, who qualifies, and if you want to join the class action, how to join it. But if you don't, because you want to get more money, I'm gonna tell you how to do that also. Because I want to be clear to everyone here, you don't have to join the class action lawsuit and get the maximum capacity of $120, which $120 is $120 in today's economy. It's something, right? But at the end of the day, we want to hold their hand to the fire and make them responsible and make them pay even more if we can. Now, this is not legal advice or financial advice, and I am not an attorney. This is for educational purposes only. So we're gonna break this into 4 very important parts of this video that you do not want to miss. Part 1, who qualifies? And then part 2, of course, the most important one, how to get your money. And then part 3, whether you should take the settlement or not. And then part 4, why opting out and suing could get you paid more money. So let's jump into part number 1. Now, TransUnion is one of the big 3 credit reporting agencies, and for years, they were pulling this shady move. When people disputed hard inquiries on their credit report, TransUnion didn't properly investigate. Instead, they sent generic 502 letters saying, we're not processing this dispute because we don't think it came from you, or this looks like it came from a credit repair company, so we're not touching it. And according to this lawsuit, that's a violation of federal law, the Fair Credit Reporting Act, because TransUnion is required to investigate every valid dispute. And now they're paying the price of $23 million. So the question is, who's eligible? This settlement applies to anyone in the US or its territories who filed a dispute with TransUnion about a hard inquiry. Now, between the dates of December 5th of 2016 and January 31st of 2025, you got a 502 letter back claiming the dispute looks suspicious or came from a credit repair company. And be aware, this applies whether you submitted your dispute through snail mail, on the TransUnion website, or even by phone. So if you got the generic blow-off response, you're in. Now, moving on to part number 2, what you'll get if you do nothing. So if you absolutely do nothing, you'll automatically get a payment of $20 to $30 or at maximum $120. No claim form is needed. But that's the bare minimum. And if your dispute was legit and TransUnion's failure caused you financial or emotional damage, you deserve more, right? So let's talk about the other 2 options. First, let's start with how to get to $160 max, and then I'll show you how to sue locally for even more. Now, moving on to part number 3, how to file for more than $30. To request a higher payout, you need to submit a claim at TransUnionDisputeClassAction.com. And you need to do this before June 24 of 2025 because that's when the deadline hits. Now, you'll need to describe any harm you suffered because of TransUnion's actions, like a loan you were denied for, a credit card rejection, higher interest rates, or emotional stress from false reporting. I want to give a special shout out to all my beasters out there that are working hard to fix their credit using DisputeBeast, the most advanced AI credit repair software ever created that comes with the 110% money back guarantee. But specifically to Jay, Jay's credit score went up 222 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. And Abdul's credit score went up 206 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. But let's not forget about Alexander. Alexander's credit score went up 211 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. DisputeBeast link is going
I went from a 520 credit score to 750 in 90 days using AI. And not gonna lie, I was skeptical at first, but this program literally taught me everything. Credit repair with DisputeBeast, building business credit, AI, advertising, even daily trading lessons with real people on Zoom. It's actually insane how much they cover. And the best part, zero risk, which honestly sold me. If you want in, call 1-877-587-4540 right now because seating is actually limited. And I'm not just saying that.
Your personal credit is destroyed, but your business credit could be perfect. Here's what most business owners don't realize. Your business credit runs on a completely separate system from your personal credit. While your personal credit uses your social security number, business credit builds on your employer identification number. That means you can have perfect business credit, even if your personal credit is terrible. Elite Credit and Investment Advisors specializes in building business credit fast. We set up everything you need: business phone, business address, and start building your credit immediately with our expert team guiding you every step. Right now, we're offering our $3,000 program for just $1,000, but only for the next 20 applicants. Don't let your personal credit mistakes hold your business back any longer. Call us at 208-417-5655 or visit EliteCreditInvestmentAdvisors.com to get started today.
While you're gambling on stocks, I'm building generational wealth systematically. Most people chase hot tips hoping to get lucky. Real wealth follows 3 pillars: build bulletproof credit, secure smart business funding, master risk-free trading in commodities, stocks, and crypto. This isn't gambling, it's systematic wealth building. Join our free Zoom class where I break down exactly how this works. No sales pitch, pure education. Stop gambling with your future and start building it systematically.
All right, I am live on a Monday morning for the Monday Morning Madness, and Miss Emma's here with me from the Philippines. We are taking a close look at the micro E-mini NASDAQ 100 futures. As the market is trending, we're taking a quick look at our news to see if there's anything new. We got Wall Street futures fall on fears of protracted Middle East conflict. Naturally, any kind of a conflict anywhere causes an issue because the market trades on emotion and people react to emotion. So bearing that in mind, let's just break down a couple things real quick about our 3 pillars of wealth program. Of course, most of you know I am an avid publisher of financial information. I've got 7 books out on cryptocurrency. I've got 3 books out on 3 pillars of wealth, which have everything to do with what you just saw the information commercials on. The first is personal credit restoration, and we are affiliates with DisputeBeast Credit Mastery. So that's an AI-driven credit repair software that shoots out and repairs your credit. Every 40 days, they send out another attack to increase your credit, and your credit can go from anywhere that it's at to 150, 200 points or better per month. Second thing we do is we build business credit with Elite Business Credit Building Strategy, and we're affiliates with Credit Suite. Credit Suite's got a $3,000 program where they'll help you set up everything you need for a business. If you've got a business already, but you don't have $1 million credit, you definitely need Credit Suite. What they do is they do a deep dive in there for you, walk hand in hand, come alongside you and show you how to get a proper business address, an EIN number, a Duns and Bradstreet number, a proper business telephone, a proper Google locations for what's the website searches, all social media, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. All of these things are wrapped up in one package and it's a lifetime agreement of around $1,000, and it'll build your business credit up. And finally, learn about the stock market, learn what's up and what's down and what causes things to go up and how to get in and how to get out. Of course, none of this is tax or financial advice. All of this is purely educational, and it's all just one person's opinions, how we do what we do, but we can walk you through safely with zero risk, because you're looking at a TradingView platform. The TradingView platform is a simulation that uses live stock market data, but doesn't require any actual income or money put in. All right, you get the TradingView software, and you learn to trade by placing trades, both in the long form, which is the green candles up, and the short form, which is the red candles down. And what that does to you is allows you to learn the ropes or learn the system. You can see the market's down right now, and it's trending slowly. So our options at this point are to switch directions. If we were to switch directions and trade down, we could do that. But I just don't see the market volatility. So I'm going to switch down to a downward motion, and we'll trade down a little while because it does seem to be trending down. Or we could leave our position in where it is, and eventually it will bounce off the bottom and come back up. So you're going to need enough trading liquidity to be flexible enough to wait until the market goes where you need it to go. Having said that, we're going to hear from another one of our brand new sponsors, which is El Coqui Magazine in Rincon, Puerto Rico.
Hello, Wanderers. Hola, Aventureros. Discover Rincon's secrets in your preferred language. I'm your guide to El Coqui of Rincon, the magazine that's been the authentic voice of our beautiful town. Soy tu guía a la revista que ha sido la voz auténtica de nuestro hermoso pueblo. We bring you local maps, community stories, and insider knowledge you won't find anywhere else. Te traemos mapas locales, historias de la comunidad y conocimiento interno que no encontrarás en ningún otro lugar. Whether you're planning your visit or staying connected to home, ya sea que estés planeando tu visita o manteniéndote conectado con casa, we're your bridge to the real Rincon. Find us online and join our bilingual community today.
Notice that the market has bounced off the bottom and is proceeding to travel upwards on the green candle right here. So again, we'll keep our eye on that. Watch it as it crosses the blue line, starts making a profit, and then after it goes between the blue line and the green line, it'll go ahead and cash out on the top and give us our profit of the day. We're set at $500 right now for the day. We'll watch and see how she does. Meanwhile, we're going to hear from E. Bargwin.
When home feels safer than the hospital. Cuando el hogar se siente más seguro que el hospital. We bring expert care to you. Llevamos atención experta a tu hogar. Welcome to Ibarguen Home Support. Bienvenidos a Ibarguen Home Support, where we care with love and commitment. Donde cuidamos con amor y compromiso. We provide home or hospital care. Cuidado en casa o en hospital. Personal and household assistance. Asistencia personal y del hogar. Appointment, accompaniment, acompañamiento a citas, professional medication administration, administración profesional de medicamentos, early health assessments, evaluaciones tempranas de salud, with the expertise of Miss Martha Ibarguen, registered nurse, con la experiencia de la enfermera registrada, Martha Ibarguen. Your family receives the compassionate care they deserve. Tu familia recibe el cuidado compasivo que merece. Call 939-209-6767. Llame al 939-209-6767. Everything seems impossible until it's done. Todo parece impossible hasta que se hace.
We are expecting some visitors on Thursday live in the studio, which will be Robin and Caroline from RCR World Travel. And we're going to hear a little bit about what they're into right now.
Everyone said I was crazy to book Egypt, but when I stepped off that plane in Cairo, I knew they were wrong. 4 incredible destinations in one trip. The pyramids of Giza left me speechless. Luxor's ancient temples told stories thousands of years old. Then came the Nile cruise. Watching feluccas sail past while I dined on deck was pure magic. And Hurghada? Crystal clear Red Sea waters perfect for diving and relaxation. RCR Global handled everything. Flights, transfers, English-speaking guides, meals, starting at $51.95 per person, with flexible dates available. But here's the thing, seating is limited. Don't let everyone else talk you out of the adventure of a lifetime. Call 833-477-7477 today.
And we're watching that candle bounce off the bottom, and while we're doing that, we're going to go here and hear a little bit from Connect Church PR, which is in Aguada, Puerto Rico.
Welcome to Connect PR,
Bienvenidos a Connect PR,
a bilingual church in the heart of Aguada, Puerto Rico,
una iglesia bilingüe en el corazón de Aguada, Puerto Rico,
where faith is alive and worship is modern,
donde la fe está viva y la adoración es moderna,
and everyone is welcome.
y todos son bienvenidos.
At Connect PR, we believe church should feel like home,
En Connect PR creemos que la iglesia debe sentirse como hogar,
a place to connect with God and with people,
un lugar para conectarte con Dios y con las personas,
and grow in purpose and community,
y crecer en propósito y comunidad.
led by Pastor Diane Johnson Seaton
Guiados por la pastora Diane Johnson Seaton
and Pastor Camila Raza.
y la pastora Camille Rosa,
We're building a life-giving church with passionate worship,
estamos construyendo una iglesia llena de vida con adoración apasionada,
relevant teaching, and real relationships.
enseñanza relevante y relaciones auténticas.
No matter where you're from or what language you speak,
No importa de dónde vengas ni el idioma que hables,
there's a place for you here.
aquí hay un lugar para ti.
Come as you are.
Ven tal como eres.
This is Connect PR,
Esto es Connect PR,
where faith, life, and community connect.
donde la fe, la vida y la comunidad se conectan.
Elite Trading is offering a risk-free training program at 9:30 a.m. Monday through Friday and 7 p.m. Monday through Friday. Learn the ups and downs and ins and outs of the stock market on a free Zoom class without risking even $1 of your own money. Whether you're completely new to trading or you've been burned before, this program removes the biggest barrier to learning. No upfront costs, no hidden fees, no pressure to invest your own capital. Just pure education from experienced traders who understand that knowledge comes before profit. You'll discover proven strategies, risk management techniques, and market analysis skills that typically cost thousands to learn elsewhere. Join us online at elitecreditinvestmentadvisors.com or call 1-208-417-5655. Don't let fear keep you from financial education.
If you're ready to take your lifestyle from ordinary to extraordinary, you need Elite Credit and Investment Advisors. Let's make it happen. At Elite Credit and Investment Advisors, we believe luxury isn't just a dream, it's your destiny. Whether you're building wealth, improving your credit, or seizing exclusive investment opportunities, we provide the expert strategy and personalized guidance you need to reach the pinnacle of success. Imagine living the life you've always dreamed of. Luxurious homes, exotic cars, stunning vacations. With our 24/7 service and free risk-free evaluations, we're here to make that dream a reality. Why settle for less when you can have more? Elevate your financial future today. Let us help you design a life of luxury and prosperity. Remember, your dream lifestyle isn't out of reach. It's waiting for you to take the first step. Call us anytime at 877-587-4540. Let's start building your luxury lifestyle now. Elite Credit and Investment Advisors. Your journey to luxury starts now.
And we're back. That is just pretty much about it for today. We've been in about 24 minutes. The market's moving extremely slow, so we don't have anything just spectacular to show you there. There is a holiday in place in many places for today, government, something or other. Some of the banks are closed. So with all that in mind, we're going to go ahead and step out. We'll see you back tonight at 7 p.m.
Ever wondered what paradise sounds like? Rincon's best kept secret is on the airwaves. Rincon Rocks Radio delivers classic rock from the 60s, 70s, 80s, and beyond, but we're so much more than music. Join Dr. Cam behind the scenes and Anita Casanova broadcasting live from Rincon's most interesting locations, including the Thursday Art Walk downtown. We know what's happening in paradise because we are paradise. Birthdays, anniversaries, special requests, we play your hits while keeping you connected to authentic island life. Log on at rinconrocksradio.com or call 787-546-3252. Find us broadcasting live from every business in Rincon. This is your soundtrack to paradise.